Hello. Let's learn how to change an email password through Webmail. Type in the link to your Webmail, then wait for it to load. Enter the email and password and click Log In. If it's your first time accessing the Webmail, you will have to tick the box close to the Open blue button. Now we are in. Let's change the password. Click on the Webmail home. Scroll down. Click on Password and Security. Type in your new password, then confirm the password again. Click on Save. At the top right, click on Logout. Now, type in the email and the new password. And that's it. This is how to change an email password through Webmail. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, drop your questions in the comments.